Welcome back to the farm. If you're new here, I'm Krista, learning to farm with my dad on his vintage equipment, which inevitably comes with a lot of repairs, and in this case, big improvements.
It's the same as before, except this switch right here.
Yeah.
You start it up on black.
Okay, yeah.
When it's full, and it starts, this counter starts counting up to 55.
Okay. Okay.
At any time after it's past 1 minute, up to 55, that switch has to go to white. So we do it right after it starts. Then we're done till it's completely done and stopped. We'll cause the heating cycle to end when it's time, when that counts up.
Yeah.
It stops. This switch causes it to end and start the cooling.
Gotcha.
Automatically. The gas is on.
Okay.
It's on cycle.
Okay.
Just waiting on the cycle to start, and then we click the switch and we're done until it quits.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, there it goes. Well, there's a little bit. Yeah. What's happening with this motor? Is it working without having to hit it with a wrench on the side? Did it get fixed? Good morning. It's another beautiful day on the farm. Today I'm going to do the dryer again. I think Rick's going out to get some more corn. There was a bunch of snow this week, and I think they ended up getting a bunch of corn in the combine and then corn in the wagons, and then they put them in the barns until we could get going on them today. There also was some breakdowns of the combine, and I think the dryer also had something going wrong with it. But since I was here last, which has been a few days, they put a new switch in the dryer, which is what Dad was showing me this morning. It automatically switches to cooling mode. Before, we would have to watch the clock and then go flip the switch. Now you just wait till it turns on. After it's loaded, wait a minute till it's going, and then you flip the switch to the cooling, and then there's a relay thing in there that keeps track of the time, and after an hour it will automatically shut off, so we don't have to babysit it so much anymore. My job is the dryer right now, again, which is fine. I don't know about you, but I actually don't mind repetitive tasks, I guess. Plus it's a help to my dad, so I'm happy to do it. Okay, while the dryer is running and then cooling, Mom and I are going over to the field where they're doing combining today with our bucket and our shovel. Apparently Dad spilled a bunch of corn on the ground, so he wants us to go and scoop it up. Ooh, it's so nice out. I'll go. I'll happily go. Just to be outside in this. Dad sent us to the field because he spilled some corn. There's Rick over there doing some combining. We're like, where's this corn? He said, you can't miss it. Mom, stand by this corn so we can see how small it is. This is the corn he spilled. Are we sure this is the corn he spilled? It's so small. It's got to be it. It's the only corn I see. It's the only corn. But we better save this tiny pile. It's not as much as he thought.
I just thought.
Or he's like,
Here, I thought it was gonna be something.
I thought it was a giant pile. He was like, go clean up the giant pile of corn. It was like half a bucket.
Oh, there's some down there.
Down there, it looks like somebody left.
Oh, okay.
They left the
Oh, we
door.
got this one. Yeah, Dad.
Oh, we
said
thought
he
it was
did.
this.
Looks like they left the door open and then they started filling it what was in the combine.
Yeah, that's what he said. Yeah.
Something he said.
Okay, that wasn't the one.
That wasn't it.
There's one down there we gotta go get. I see it now. It's on the ground. Okay. That's a little more than we thought. We're like, oh, this tiny pile? Okay. It's a big pile. It's a big pile under there. Probably recognize this field as the one that I walked out in the middle of and told about the different kinds of soil. And also, this is the field where the tractor wheel broke, right? Yeah. After we put the tractor wheel on, this is the field that broke it off.
See? How cool this is.
It's going a little. Yeah, we can't fit that in there. What are we gonna do?
Yeah, it's cool.
Okay. Well, it's too full,
Yep, got too full.
and we don't even. We probably have at least two more buckets full. I would say, at least. Whoops. Apparently that got left open while they were filling it. We got to go back and get another bucket or 2 or 10. Okay, we're gonna put it from this. I know. We're gonna put some of it in here. I don't know if we can fit it all. We're gonna try. Okay, it's pretty full. We're gonna see if we can get a couple more buckets because we're gonna overfill that one. They like the owl. No. They like the owl. Oh, there they go. Mom's ready for Thanksgiving. Oh, there it goes. It shut off automatically. Yay. Awesome. Now it has to go into the truck.
Oh my God.
Look at all their stuff.
It was blowing up here.
Yeah.
Looks like it's blowing. No, it's blowing towards the house. We're going to have a red house.
Oh no.
See it coming right at us.
It's snowing again. Oh, it's so quiet. Something went wrong with the combine. So he's gonna go check that out and see if he can fix it. Here he goes. Bye, Dad. Okay. I thought this one probably was almost to the bottom because I filled that whole wagon over there from empty. But it must have been way up because there's still quite a bit left. Probably about half. We'll see. You see the dust coming out of the dryer as it fills up. So dry. clean, but then the stuff is sticking to the windows now. It's better than it was. I wrote down 204, right?
That looks right.
Yeah. Huh. Yeah, I wrote down 204. Oh, it feels cool.
Like a sample in case it's
Okay.
maybe we're out of gas.
Oh. Huh. It's set for 55. Normally it takes an hour, 55 minutes for the corn to dry. And then it takes about a half an hour after that for it to cool. And it's supposed to be set to do that, like automatically. But it stopped after an hour. And Dad was like, why are you out there loading it into the truck? And I was like, I still have a half an hour for it to cool. He's like, no, the machine turned off. So we're checking the dryness. He had me take a sample out of the machine, and he's checking the dryness just to make sure, because it felt cold and everything, but he just wants to make sure that it's getting dried like it was supposed to. So we shall see. We ended up restarting the heating mode because it was still like 16 was the dryness, and it needs to be 15 or less. So we ran it for part of the cycle, usually 55 minutes. We ran it for 25 minutes. And now we're waiting for it to cool. The last load worked. Not sure what the deal was with it, but we just kind of have to keep an eye on it and make sure it goes like it's supposed to. So another load is heating and drying right now. Gonna hook up the wagon to the truck to take it to the fields. Bye. Sun is on the neighbor's house, like perfectly. It's perfectly behind the neighbor's house. Oh. Let's go look at the sunset. Oh, I'm up on this little hill beside the barn. It's so pretty. Here. Oh yeah, so pretty. So I'm watching the dryer, making sure it's doing what it needs to do this cycle. Hopefully it runs the full hour and a half like it's supposed to. Dad took the empty wagon over to the field that they're working on. He's gonna do the last, I think there's only a couple more rows left, and fill the wagon back up. Then Rick just moved the wagon for me, so I have backup corn when this cycle is done and we start getting that one put into the truck. And then I could start another load. Then Mom and Rick went back over to that field where we tried to clean up the corn that Dad spilled earlier, to finish cleaning up the corn that Dad spilled. So that's what's happening. I'm here alone, taking over. taking over the farm.
Wow. Oh, it's so pretty.
Doing some more farming at nighttime.
Looks like a creepy X-Files episode. About to start.
It's almost loaded. Final task of the night. Get this thing going and then finish refilling that wagon over there.
See you next time. Happy farming.
Mom's trying to do Rick's dance. Oh, okay. Ah.